everyone, this is Charmaine. I'm the Chief Digital Marketing Officer at Sky Digital Agency, and in today's video I'd like to explore the topic about digital currency. So in this day and age of social media marketing and digital marketing, a lot of businesses are still having a business plan or a marketing plan without involving social media marketing as a strategy. What does strategy mean? Strategy may sound like a big word, but strategy really means what are your short-term goals and your long-term goals. I have done some videos about short-term and long-term goals, and I'm linking them down in the description below. Do check them out. I have also done another video about SMART goals. Your goals, whether it's short-term or long-term, have to be SMART. What does SMART mean? It has to be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound. So short-term goals are typically 1 to 3 months. Some companies, some organizations, 1 to 6 months are what they call short-term goals. You might be wondering what kind of goals are this short. You can choose to improve the way that you communicate with your social media or digital marketing audiences from just telling to asking them questions, to engaging them, right? From a formal tone to an informal tone, from a non-consistent tone to a more consistent tone. These are immediate things that you can do within the first 1 to 3, 6 months. And what about long-term goals? Long-term goals are goals like posting and scheduling. So some startups, some businesses, they have not been scheduling, they have been posting, but they have not been scheduling within the same time or within the same dates. My recommendation is always that if you are currently posting, say, once a week, try to stick to the same day of the week. But what is one long-term goal that you can work towards to? Maybe from the third or the second month even, or fourth month, up to you really, whatever that's more sustainable, to start working towards 2 posts a week. So say for example now you are doing 1 post a month. What you can do is to look at second, third or fourth month to start planning ahead. So instead of just thinking about what to post today, next week, the following week, have a schedule out of once a week for the first month. And ask yourself, is it possible to push this on a second month? Or maybe if it's too early, have your schedules out for 1 to 2 months and only on the third or fourth month to have 2 posts a week. I would also encourage you to think about involving 1 video a month. If possible, it's best to consider Facebook Live videos. And Facebook Live can be on the first week of every month or on the last week of every month. It can be an Ask Me Anything video. So think about these goals, and if you like more details and some of the other goals that I have suggested to my participants and clients, do look at the video that I've linked in the description below. The next thing that I'd like to talk about is many people actually want to grow their followers. It's okay to want to grow your followers, but there is a point in time where you don't only focus on followers only. Focus on followers when you want to cross the first, say, 200, 300 followers. But after that, what you want to do is to focus on engaging with your best audience, improving your content, right? When I say not informing, not telling, and start asking, do educate them, poll and quiz them up. So that's the engagement. You see, you're testing them on whether they know what you have been sharing in the past few weeks or the past month on your social media channels. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video, and if any questions about Instagram, Facebook, or even YouTube, do drop a comment below. I love to hear from you, and do remember to drop a like and share this video with your friends. If this video has been helpful, it would help us to create more videos like this. I look forward to seeing you in my next video.